Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for another top tip. And while I was filming a video today, I learned something that I think is really cool. So I'm making tags using our stamp set called Tag It. And I'm stamping 16 of these guys back to back with my Misti. Check this out. This was a happy accident, but it's kind of cool. So I've stacked up, let's do 3. I've stacked up 3 of my tags that I'm going to stamp. And I'm going to put them in this far corner and make sure they're in the corner where they need to be. Then I'm going to ink this up. Watch what happens. It's kind of cool. I was like, are you kidding me? That's so easy. Since I have to do 16 of them, this will save us some time. So you stamp it down. You ready? When you lift it up, one comes with you. You take that one and put it in your already done pile. And then look, scoot and keep going. This is one of those happy accident top tips. If you're going to do the same thing over and over again, watch what's going to happen. Pick it up. There's my good one. It leaves me one more to do. You could put more than 3 in there. I don't know. Let's try it. I'll finish this one. How's this for a top tip, right? This is my kind of top tip. A way to get 16 of these done so much faster. Okay, so we put 3 in. Let's try putting more in. So let's go 1. Let's try to put 5 in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It doesn't hurt anything because as long as my paper can stay in there smooth where it needs to be, it's just lifting my stamp up, lifting my cardstock up to my stamp. This may not work with everything, but where it will work, yes, right? Stamped well, slide it back in the corner. Oh, this is nice. Okay, I should be using my rubber bandit too. I'm just not. I just got started and didn't think about it. But look at that. And I'm not having to stop and replace every single time. And you still can scoot them back in the corner and restamp it if you miss a spot. That wouldn't be an issue. Not really, because you're already lining everything up to that corner. Look at that. Okay, so everything's shifted. No big deal. I'll put them back. That makes for quick work. So there you go, guys. I'd call this one Lazy Girl's Guide to Stamping with the Misti. But that was pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you'll find that useful. I'm going to stack these back up because I think having the weight on them actually helps them to keep from flying around. So I'll stack these back up and finish them off. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Thanks so much for being here for this top tip. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. When we reach 100,000 subscribers on this channel, we're giving away a cutting machine of the winner's choice, meaning you can choose a Cricut, a Silhouette, or a Scan and Cut. You get to choose. So be sure to subscribe, share this channel with your friends so we can get to that number even quicker. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.